Hello students, welcome back. Let us begin our class with the word year day. And today's word is petulant. Petulant. Okay, T must be pronounced like a CH in Chennai. Petulant. Petulant. Petulant is an adjective. It means behaves like an annoyed or angry child. Petulant is an adjective. It means behaves like an annoyed or angry child. That is, you might have seen that when children ask for something, when you don't give it, what they do? They pester you. Okay. So they behave as if that they are annoyed. For example, what is that is the usage? Look at the usage. With age, people get petulant. People get petulant. With age, people get petulant. The critic, the critics says he is very petulant. So petulant means a behavior like like an annoyed or angry child. That behavior is called as petulant. And the noun form is petulance. This is the noun is petulance. So this is today's word. Now let us discuss some of the business phrases, some of the business expressions or business phrases. Of the top of my head. Of the top of my head. What does it mean? That is, it means without careful thought or investigation. Without careful of the top of my head. See here, that is of OFF. OFF. Of the top single F of my head. It means without careful thought or investigation. And the usage is I can't explain you of the top of my head. Of the top of, I cannot explain you without careful investigation. It means that without preparing something, I cannot explain you. So whenever you explain something, you have to prepare. Off the top of my head means without any preparation. Okay. See, for example, you may say that off the top of my head, I would say there may be 20 boys. It means that I do not know exactly. I have not prepared. So, off the top of my head. This is one expression. And the next, another expression is out of left field. Out of left field. Out of left field. It means something unexpected. Something unexpected. For example, you may say the election results are out of left field. Something unexpected. Okay. So the outcome of that program is out of left field means something unexpected. Take down this. And the next one is think outside the box. Think outside the box. It means think creatively. Think outside the box. This is very interesting phrase. See, usually one famous quotation: successful people don't do different things, they do things differently. See, particularly dear students, if you want to attain success in your life, you must be unique. You must be unique. You must think outside the box. That is, if you keep yourself in that is without any specialization, it is very difficult for you. That is, you must always think differently. You have to think creatively. As I already told you in the beginning of my sessions, you are living in the age of creativity and communication. If you have these two C's, you can easily attain success in your life. You must think creatively, you must communicate effectively. See, in multinational companies, there is a separate cell. It is called as think tank. A separate team. It is called as think tank. What they do, whenever they that is whenever they have some hitches, they have some problems in their production, they convened a meeting. That meeting comprises all the think tanks, all the creative heads, and they try to fix the problem, that they try to identify the problem, that try to resolve the issue. See, as I already told you that there is in a soap manufacturing company, that is, they receive one complaint from the distribute that is from the distributors that in some cotton box, in a soap box, they found only wrappers without soap, empty wrappers. So they have complained. So the complaint was brought forward to the company. Then they started discussing over this issue that what is to be done. Because usually you might have seen in all the multinational companies, everything is carried out by machines, not man. So everything is done by machine. That is from starting to the end process. Everything is done by machine. And how to overcome this problem? Because they received complaint that in a that is a cottons, that is the soap boxes, they found some empty wrappers. What is to be done? And different employees use different ideas. So some says that why can't we appoint a person in that packing section so that he can supervise the wrappers and all those things. So this would be looks dearer. It looks very costly things that you have to give salary to that person and all those things, all the allowances you have to give. Okay, if he goes on leave means you have to appoint some other alternative person, then what is to be done? So after half an hour, there is one employee says that, sir, if you give me 2,000 rupees, I will solve the problem. Then the boss, he got shocked. How it is possible? What you are going to do? No, simply he said, when the end product, when the soap came out of that machine and it get packed in a box. So what I would do, I fix a table fan beside a machine, by a machine. I am going to fix a table fan by a machine. When the empty wrapper comes, what happens? It would get thrown. The wrapper will fly away. So we can solve the problem. This is called as think creatively. So any problem you take, if you think creatively, that is the creativity leads to innovative ideas. Creativity leads to innovative ideas. So that is the need of the hour. The need of the hour is how you are going to do the work creatively. In any department you take, particularly in a corporate world, if you have creativity, okay, so you can attain success easily. So finally, that problem will be solved by simply, fixing a table fan by a machine, and now the problem got solved. So likewise, think outside the box means doing something in a very unique way. You should not be like others. See, that is every year, lakhs of graduates are coming out of the colleges. Not all the graduates, getting a very smart job. Very few. Who are they? They are not merely graduates. Apart from their graduation, you must register your uniqueness. That is why, dear students, again I would like to tell you that, see, you must know what is your strength, what is your weakness. You must know in which you are best at. If you find out this, success is yours. And another one thing I would like to tell you, each and every boy, each and every person in this world, has got a speciality in it. But the thing is that you have to find out in which you are best at. If you come to know that what is your speciality, then you can think outside the box. Then what you have to do, you have to refine your skill towards that way. And that paves way for creativity. So think out of the box. For example, the usage, he always think out of the box. he always think out of the box. It means that he thinks differently. He thinks creatively. Okay, can you understand this? Oh, right. So, on the last, there is next one is bring up to speed. Bring up to speed. It means update someone or something. Update someone or something. That is bring up to speed. See, for example, you would say that there are some boys, maybe they are slow learners. What you have to do, right? What a teacher has to do, a teacher has to bring the student to speed. They have to bring up to speed. That updation takes place. See, for learning, there is no end for learning. There is no end for learning. You have to always, bring up to speed. You have to update your knowledge. Otherwise, you will be obsolete. You will become outdated. So, update someone or something. For example, you would say that before I am going to start the meeting, I am going to bring you up to speed about latest developments. Okay, so before I want to talk to you, what I am going to do, I would like to update you so that you can follow me. Right? So bring up to speed means update someone or something. Okay, students, I hope you have understood. You write your own sentences. See, so far, we have discussed that is more than 12 or 11 phrases we have discussed in our previous classes. You use it, you write in your own sentences, and you try to practice it and use it in your communication and use it in your writing. Okay, so in our next class, we shall see some other expressions, some other business phrases. Thank you so much.